Hello tech newbies and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into Tech 101 for tech newbies. Navigating your smartphone. Whether you're new to smartphones, a teenager, or golden ager, this beginner-friendly guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Smartphone basics. First things first, understanding the basics. We'll walk you through the essential features of your smartphone, from buttons to touchscreen gestures. Get ready to feel more confident navigating your device. Powering on/off. To power on your smartphone, look for the power button. It's usually located on the side or the back. Just press and hold it until you see the screen light up. To power off, repeat the process and select the shutdown option. Unlocking the phone. Now that your phone is on, let's unlock it. You can use a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Set it up in your settings, and then simply follow the prompts to unlock your device. Home screen navigation. Welcome to your home screen. This is where you'll find all your apps and widgets. Arrange them the way you like for easy access. Tap an app to open it, or press and hold to move it around. Notifications. Stay in the loop by checking your notifications. Swipe down from the top of the screen to view them. And here are your quick settings for things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Making a call time to make a call. Dial a number or select a contact from your list. Use the speakerphone and mute options for added convenience. Texting messaging. Need to send a text? Open the messaging app, compose your message, and hit send. Easy as pie. Internet browsing. Surfing the web is a breeze. Launch the browser, search, open tabs, and navigate through websites with a simple tap. Camera usage. Capture the moment. Access the camera app, explore the features, and snap a photo with just a tap. Gallery. Relive memories in your gallery. Swipe through photos and videos with ease. Settings. Need to tweak something? Open the Settings app. Adjust Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and display settings to fit your preferences. Gestures. Navigate like a pro with common gestures. Swipe, tap, and pinch to zoom. Every smartphone might have unique gestures, so check your manual for more. Multitasking. Switching between apps is a breeze. Swipe between them and close background apps to keep your phone running smoothly. There you have it. Tech 101 for tech newbies. Navigating your smartphone. We hope this guide makes your smartphone experience more enjoyable. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. This is your channel signing off. Until next time, happy navigating.